welcome back to our channel Make an App Live. We are back again with another new topic, and this time the topic is very interesting. So let's start today's topic.
But before we begin, please like and subscribe our channel and do share this video with your friends and family.
So guys, new era of internet is here and everyone is jumping into it. There are many investors who are putting millions of dollars into Web 3.0. Yes, today we'll talk about what is Web 3.0, how we can earn money with Web 3.0, and what are the business ideas we can generate with Web 3.0. So basically Web 1.0 was basic HTML website where you can just read the content. It is similar to a paper or a newspaper where you can read the article, you can get the information, that's it. Then came Web 2.0. Web 2.0, which we both are involved into and currently using. Even the YouTube or even the video which you are going to subscribe comes in Web 2.0, and all the social media which are using. So basically Web 2.0 provided a more dynamic web using the user generated content. But now after Web 2.0, now comes the Web 3.0. Now let's understand what is 3.0 and what was the need to get into Web 3.0. Although definitely many other factors come into the play when it comes to the understanding of how this Web 3.0 has gained popularity, such as integrated search engines, many other factors, but there are actually two factors which actually brought this Web 3.0 to its highest peak now. One is the decentralization, second is the open source utility. Well, these two factors played a crucial role in bringing the popularity to Web 3.0. So hence, before jumping into how you can earn money with Web 3.0, it's very important to understand these two topics first. Definition of Web 3.0 from two things, that is the decentralization and open source utility. Now, the idea of decentralization depends upon giving back to users what is theirs already. So guys, this was something which was missing in 2.0. Majorly there were 2-3 companies which were earning money from your data, by moving your data, by searching your data, by advertising your data. So guys, if I put down in simple words, in Web 2.0, owner of the platforms were earning money, were boosting their revenues by monitoring your activities and gathering your data. And all of this was happening because they have access to your data. Well, to correct the mistakes of Web 2.0, Web 3.0 is launched. Well, Web 3.0 gave control to users, hence creating endless possibilities. It will let you have full control over your data. But how Web 3.0 will do it? I am definitely sure that this question is popping up in your mind. But before understanding it, let's jump to the other pillar of this Web 3.0, that is open source utility. Just like Android, which is open source and one can come and modify, here's the demand same too. Just make Web 3.0 open source so that anyone can come and modify according to their needs. Now we can deeply understand this. For example, if you are in London and another user is in India. Now user A who is in India wants to send money to user B who is in London. User A cannot just directly send money to B. First, user A have to go to the bank, submit the money to the bank, and then transfer it to B. And then bank takes a charge to send the money to a chain of banks so that it can finally reach to user B. Now, in this whole scenario, what happens? First, the bank will know all the information about you. Second, the government or the relevant body will know all the details about your transaction. Third, these two things will happen with user B too, and after a certain time, the money will be transferred to user B. Now, to resolve all these issues, Web 3.0 is launched. Now, to solve this issue, Web 3.0 eliminates the bank, and hence, user A can directly send money to user B without making any delays. Now, this was made possible with the help of blockchain technology on the ground basis of encryption and distributed computing. Now, this encryption permits storing data on the blockchain, hence, no other government, no other user, no third party can have access to your data. You will have full authority over your data. Now, same as encryption, distributed computing plays its own part. It allows the storage of the relevant files you can take, like if A thinks that the B is not trustworthy, then he can change his information without letting B know about it. Now we are aware of what is decentralization, what is open source utility, how important are they for the security of the user's data, and how Web 3.0 is building up its space in this universe. Now let's move to another topic, that is how you can gain or how you can make money in Web 3.0. Well, Web 3.0 is all about monetization. By giving the full monarchy to users about their data, Web 3.0 let you gain financial benefits as well. Hence, it simply means by giving you the authority of your data, you can definitely earn incentives in return. Now, let's look at the ways by which you can earn money with Web 3.0. The very number one is earn money on Web3 by airdrop. So what is known as airdrops? Now, since the Web3 is getting started, so every new project is getting booked. So basically, it's an awareness program to this very new platform where developers are giving free tokens to attract more audience to their platform. On number 2, we have play to earn model. You can make profit with Web 3.0 by just being active on their platform. You can definitely get very cool rewards. On number 3, from your data. Isn't it cool? I mean, just imagine the Web 3.0 has given rights to you. By just sharing your data, you can earn money. So basically, in Web 2.0, the companies like Google, Facebook were using your data and earning millions of bucks. In Web 3.0, the same thing will happen, but here not the platform owners, you will be earning money of your data. Hence, you can sell anything and get fairly paid for it. In short, you have all the right to do whatever you want to do with your data. Number 4, create a personalized currency. Now, Web 3.0 does not only give you authority over your data, but you can also create your own personal tokens. It will let you pay off well when you create your own personalized token. In fact, you can also manage the value of your currency by your own. Number 5, benefit yourself from the decentralized credit. Now, what does it mean? With decentralized credit, you can emit the role of banks not only from sending and receiving the money, but also borrowing and lending it. Now, you can create or take a part in the lending pool. Now, the credit pool can also give you good earning points. However, that does not mean that banks will not stay. Banks will stay, but the way will be different. Web 3.0 will change the way the banks used to operate, where you can take benefit from it. On number 6, we have own NFTs. Now, anyone can access the NFT and earn some passive income. Now, if I say passive income, that means there's no risk included. Well, how it works? The decentralization work behind the NFTs and make it possible. Now, many people are unaware of what is NFT. So basically, the digital art now has become NFT. Now you can create or own your digital art and then you can also sell it. You can use your NFTs for gaming, metaverse, virtual real estate and many more. On number 7, participate in the technology, guys. Because this Web 3.0 is going so rapidly, you can become a Web 3.0 developer. It has already birthed many new technologies. You can become a Web 3.0 developer, which will be very in high demand. So guys, these were the 7 ways I told you about how you can make money with Web 3.0, but there are other options as well, like Web3 advertising, start creating Web3 store, buy property on Web3 and rent it. Web 3.0 will give you a new world of financial independence with endless possibilities coming your way.
So that was all for today. Please like and subscribe our channel and share it with your friends and family.